Hello everyone. Welcome to Neutron Viz Academy. Today I would like to share how to create a lighting animation in D5 Render. Let's start with the traditional method. The first step is to create a clip. Then, we need to do camera animation by defining start and end frame. It's better to have enough duration for lighting animation. In this case, I set it to 6 seconds. Then go to the time that we want to switch on the light. Select the light and then turn the light switch off. Don't forget to give a key. Then move the slider a bit. Turn on the light switch and set a key. Then, we will get this animation. Move the slider and do the same process for other lightings. Then, we will get this animation. If we want to get more interesting lighting animation, we can add more keyframes to each light. Then, we will get this kind of light animation. This traditional method can be used in the small rooms. For a large area, this will be time-consuming. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the easiest way. As usual, we need to create an animation clip first. Then go to the animation template. Select the drop animation preset. Select all lights, and then click down. Then, we will get this animation. We need to set the distance value to 0 in order to get perfect animation. We can also change the animation sequence by changing the sorting method by world coordinate. We can make some experiment by choosing the different axis. We can also use the same concept for this kind of animation. In this case, it is better to use interior parallax planes instead of real lighting. And then we just need to use the same techniques by giving drop animation to the parallax planes. Don't forget to set the distance value to 0. I hope this tutorial will help you guys a lot. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.